Hey guys, welcome back to Media.io Basics. Today we're going to take a really beginner tutorial look at the video enhancer, specifically looking at denoise as well as the upscaling feature. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
We're going to learn how to take our video from this to this in just a few clicks. First, let's click to upload our video. I'll just find the one I want to enhance. Then let's go to the right side of the screen and click on Enhancer. In this section, we have the choice between upscaler, color correction, denoise, and video smoothness. For this clip, our issue is noise, so let's focus on that. Noise refers to the glitchy little grains you see on old footage. This tool can clean up that noise and make the footage look way better. Click Denoise and then Apply. It will start processing, which will only take a minute or so. When it's done, you can already tell it's doing better with this side by side. But if you want, you can click here to download that enhanced video right away. Now we can take a look at our finished product. If that didn't quite work, try to process the video again. But this time, click on Upscaler and click Apply. Video upscaling makes your videos look sharper on bigger screens by increasing the resolution. Think of it like zooming in on a big picture and filling in the missing details. The AI is making it look even better by filling in what it thinks the details should be. We'll go more in depth about all of these features in a future video in this series.
That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't be afraid to ask any questions that you might have in the comments. I'm going to try to answer as many as I possibly can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another tutorial on Media.io.
While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out the other AI tools on this website. There is so much to see. There's also a bunch of templates on here, and they kind of remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really cool. So go check out everything that Media.io has to offer, and I'll see you next time.